Hi, I'm Veronica Baragas with mywigglesandgiggles.com, and I'm going to share with you how to teach a child not to bite. There are many different ways and reasons why children bite. If you're an infant, usually it's because of taste or it's something that feels good when they're teething. If you're a toddler, usually it's out of frustration or it could be just for negative attention. Some of the keys would be to stay consistent and to make sure that you don't pay too much attention to what they're doing. So if you have an infant, let's say, that is biting and you've witnessed the situation, I would first off go to the biter and get a firm hold, not too hard of course, on their shoulders, look them eye to eye and let them know that biting is not okay. Kind of set them aside, remove them from the situation and tend to the victim. Usually that shows kind of like a, this is not what you're supposed to do, and then you tend to the victim and give them some comfort, a little hug, maybe some snuggles. You definitely want to keep an eye on your child after that. There are many ways that you can help prevent, which would be, teething rings. You can use different ointments of Orgel, or there's also teething tablets, just depending on what it is that you and your family, are open to. So being consistent, making sure you keep a close eye and not giving it too much attention, but letting them know that it's not acceptable and making sure that it doesn't happen over and over again. Now, if it's something that persists, I would definitely consult my pediatrician doctor and ask them other ways to prevent this. Talk with your child care provider, whoever it is that's helping you with your child. That way you guys are on the same page and consistent in your reprimanding with the child. So, but definitely just keep an eye out and make sure that you try to keep them in a safe environment. So those are some of the tips and ways that cause biting, that you could prevent biting, or that, kind of take control of a situation of a toddler.